Most people believe that becoming rich requires extraordinary intelligence, luck, or access to secret information. But Warren Buffett has spent his entire life proving the opposite. According to him, wealth is not created by doing extraordinary things, but by avoiding ordinary mistakes that most people repeat every day. Buffett often says that the reason most people stay poor is not because they don't earn enough money, but because they consistently make poor financial decisions without realizing it. One of the biggest mistakes is spending first and saving whatever is left. Society teaches people to enjoy money now and worry later, but Buffett reverses this idea completely. He believes you should pay yourself first, automatically setting aside money for savings and investing before spending anything else. When saving becomes optional, it almost never happens, but when it becomes automatic, wealth slowly begins to grow. Closely connected to this is another mistake that keeps people poor: using debt to look rich. Buffett has always warned against consumer debt, especially high-interest debt used to finance lifestyle upgrades like expensive cars, gadgets, and luxury items. Debt creates the illusion of wealth while silently stealing future income and freedom. Buffett lives modestly not because he has to, but because he understands that true wealth is independence, not appearances. Many people also avoid investing because they believe it is risky, choosing instead to hold cash. But Buffett explains that inflation quietly destroys the value of money that sits still. The real risk is not investing without understanding, but refusing to learn how investing works. Buffett never chased hype or quick wins. He invested patiently in businesses he understood and allowed time to do the heavy lifting. Another dangerous trap is the desire to get rich fast. Buffett became wealthy slowly, and he warns that chasing shortcuts through gambling, speculation, meme stocks, or hype-driven investments often leads to financial ruin. Wealth built quickly is often lost just as fast, while wealth built patiently tends to last. A major reason people fall into these traps is a lack of financial education. Buffett spends hours reading every day because he knows that knowledge compounds just like money. Many people never learn how interest, inflation, risk, and compounding truly work, so they rely on emotions or unreliable advice. This leads directly to another mistake: letting fear and greed control financial decisions. People panic during market crashes and sell at the worst times, then rush in when prices are high because everyone else is making money. Buffett does the opposite. He stays calm, patient, and disciplined, understanding that emotions are one of the most expensive forces in finance. Finally, the most damaging mistake of all is short-term thinking. Most people plan only for the next paycheck, the next bill, or the next purchase, while Buffett plans decades ahead. He invests with the intention of holding assets for life, allowing compounding to work uninterrupted. Poverty thrives on impatience, while wealth rewards those who think long-term. Warren Buffett didn't build his fortune through luck or magic strategies. He built it by avoiding simple mistakes consistently over time. You don't need to be perfect or wealthy to start. You only need discipline, patience, and the willingness to stop repeating the same financial errors. Because staying poor is expensive, but escaping it begins with mindset, long-term thinking, and small actions repeated every day. When Warren Buffett talks about money, he often emphasizes that financial success is more about behavior than intelligence. Many people assume that rich individuals make smarter decisions, but Buffett believes the difference lies in consistency and discipline. One common pattern among people who struggle financially is that they allow short-term comfort to overpower long-term security. They choose immediate pleasure over delayed rewards, even when the cost is invisible at first. Buffett understood very early that every dollar spent unnecessarily is not just a dollar lost, but a dollar that could have compounded for decades. This is why he values simplicity and restraint. Another subtle mistake people make is confusing income with wealth. A high salary creates a false sense of security, leading people to believe they are financially successful, while in reality they are only one emergency away from disaster. Buffett reminds us that wealth is what you don't see, the money quietly working in the background, not the money loudly spent to impress others. Lifestyle inflation is one of the biggest enemies of financial freedom. As income rises, expenses rise even faster, leaving people trapped at the same financial level despite earning more. Buffett avoided this trap by keeping his lifestyle stable even as his net worth exploded. Many people also misunderstand risk. They believe risk means market volatility, but Buffett defines risk as not knowing what you're doing. When people invest without understanding, they panic at normal fluctuations and make emotional decisions that lock in losses. This fear keeps them out of opportunities that could change their lives. Buffett's calm approach allows him to see downturns as opportunities rather than threats. Another mistake that quietly keeps people poor is relying on luck instead of preparation. People wait for the perfect job, the perfect investment, or the perfect moment, while Buffett believes success favors those who are prepared when opportunities appear. Time is another resource people misuse. They trade hours for money without ever building assets that can generate income without their constant effort. Buffett focused on building ownership in businesses rather than endlessly selling his time. This shift in mindset is what separates workers from owners. Many people also fail to understand the power of compounding because it works slowly at first. They give up too early, not realizing that most of the growth happens in the later years. Buffett's wealth is proof that patience multiplies results beyond imagination. He often says that someone sitting in the shade today planted a tree a long time ago. Those who remain poor often consume everything they earn and leave nothing to grow. Another dangerous habit is ignoring small financial leaks. Subscriptions, fees, and impulse purchases seem harmless individually, but together they drain massive amounts of money over time. Buffett pays attention to details because small mistakes repeated daily become large losses over decades. He also warns against following the crowd. When everyone is chasing the same opportunity, prices rise and returns fall. Independent thinking is uncomfortable, but it is essential for financial success. Buffett's willingness to stand alone allowed him to avoid bubbles and protect capital when others were blinded by excitement. Ultimately, Buffett teaches that money should be a tool, not a source of stress. Financial peace comes from control, not from luxury. People who remain poor often feel powerless over their finances, reacting to bills, emergencies, and market movements instead of planning ahead. Buffett's life demonstrates that calm, rational decisions made repeatedly over time create extraordinary outcomes. Wealth is not built in moments of excitement, but in years of discipline. If you adopt even a fraction of this mindset, your relationship with money will change permanently. The goal is not to become rich quickly, but to become financially unbreakable. And once you reach that point, wealth becomes a natural byproduct rather than a desperate pursuit.